Hello everyone, today we are going to make a pet feeder. So first we will need 3D parts from SmartX Pro Kits, then a power adapter of 5 volt 1 ampere, then one servo motor and one Arduino Nano with its cable. So first we have to clean the 3D parts which we get from SmartX Pro Kits. Then use a servo motor SG90 which will fit perfectly. Then we have to do the connections of wiring. First we will adjust the wires. We have to make the circuit inside the 3D mold we get. So the red wire is positive, black is negative and yellow is for signal. We will cut its end for soldering. We will give some extra wire for extension. Now we will take an adapter and connects its positive and negative to the servo motors, positive and negative. We kept positive and negative common for nano and servo motor. So the remaining red and black wire will connect to Arduino Nano. We will use a tape. Right now I don't have electric tape, so we will use this one, paper tape. If you have electric tape, you can use that. Then we will do soldering so it gets connected properly. Now we will connect the remaining wires to Arduino Nano. The black one will connect to ground and the red one is for 5 volt, which is shown on the Arduino Nano. I have connected the signal pin to D9. You can connect it anywhere. Just make sure to check in the code. You can do some changes in that. Now we will connect the remaining parts. Yeah, it's working. Now just pack it properly. And close it with screws tightly. Yeah, so our fish feeder is completed. Now we'll connect one more 3D part. So if you want to hold it on a fish tank, it can easily connect it. Use screw for that too.